Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Farscape engineers inspect the summer video. There's a farscape that's been damaged. She looks like she's been hit this way, so she's definitely going to need to have the through-bolt load tested and verified. Through-bolt load tested and verified. As you can see, all the construction railing is probably not the standard height. It looks like it's a theater. You have to address that bracket up at the very top. This looks like it's been raised as best they can to the height, but she's also mushed this way. All the weight boxes, this is all chained up. There's currently a cable on it, which is making this thing unuseful right now. Some wires that fall on it. Again, some welding that's going on there that's not good, not allowed. Looks like some damage up to the through bolt. So got photographs, and you can speak with the owners to see if they wish to have this work done. Any questions, Farscape Engineers? 866-649-0333. And all the treads on the inside are all welded. All that.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.